In this video, we'll demonstrate how a designer can review the BOM health of a design and analyze various supply chain scores in the Live BOM view. Based on these scores, we'll explore how users can optimize their BOM health by utilizing alternate MPNs available in Live BOM. Once you've created and completed your design, launch Live BOM from the toolbar menu, Tools, Live BOM. Live BOM launches with the part list view as the default setting. Each component and its associated manufacturing part number retrieves its supply chain data from Source Engine. For each MPN, analytic scores for design risk and market availability are displayed to the user. The design risk score indicates the risk associated with designing in a part. This score is calculated using supply data, lead times, and the product lifecycle. The market availability score provides a comprehensive insight into part availability. Live BOM leverages data from thousands of suppliers, analyzes historical trends, and generates a market availability score. A higher score indicates better market availability. Additional information displayed for each MPN includes lifecycle, with most of the supported values being self-explanatory, such as active, contact manufacturer, end of life, not recommended for new design, discontinued, active unconfirmed, discontinued unconfirmed, and transferred. Now, let's switch to the dashboard view, which provides a grading for overall BOM health as well as an availability score. The BOM health grade ranges from A to D, with A being the highest grade. Currently, the grade is specified as C, indicating that the BOM contains high-risk components and requires attention. Also, the availability score is displayed, where a higher score signifies better availability and shorter lead times. In addition, the dashboard also gives pie chart distribution graphs for overall design risk and life cycle distribution. It lists parts which are at high risk and parts which are end of life. It also displays the MPNs for which there is an inventory risk. Using Live BOM, a designer can also optimize and improve BOM health. We'll navigate to the part list view and select the component R6, which is marked as high risk and discontinued. When a specific component is selected, its detailed supply chain information is displayed in the right property panel. In the bottom panel, users can view alternate MPNs available for the selected MPN. The alternates section also highlights the lifecycle distribution of the available alternates, with the percentage indicating the proportion of alternates that are active. We'll select an alternative that is active and has a good market availability score. Upon selecting the alternate MPN, the property panel updates to display the supply chain information for the chosen alternate. Additionally, the last column indicates how closely the alternate matches the existing MPN. The selected MPN is marked as Form Fit Function, signifying that the alternate is an exact match in terms of device characteristics. Finally, we'll click the Replace button icon to substitute the existing MPN with the alternate MPN. Similarly, click on the Risk tile to filter out high risk and medium risk components. Replace their MPNs with alternates that have a lower design risk and have a good market availability score. The alternates associated with the components are dynamically updated on the schematic. If we cross-probe from the Live BOM UI to the schematic, the MPN details, along with the SKU, are updated or added to the schematic instance within the design. Now, if we switch to the Live BOM tab, the view will automatically refresh. Next, navigate to the dashboard view, where you'll notice a significant improvement to the overall BOM health. The grade now displays as A, and the availability score has also improved. Additionally, the dashboard no longer shows any high-risk parts. Once the above optimizations are complete, switch back to the schematic design and save the design with the updated, optimized details. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.